For over 65 years, FYH has demonstrated an unwavering commitment to quality and innovation. FYH, Japan's original mounted bearing company, continues to manufacture bearings and housings to exacting standards, using proprietary machinery and standards unparalleled by our competitors. Our revolutionary new series, ZK, utilizes a tapered bore UK insert with our original Z-lock sleeve instead of a traditional adapter sleeve. This is the taper locking for a new era. It can tighten with just 2 set screws by hand to install. The set screws press the inner ring, and Z-lock sleeve is pulled. The four-slit Z-lock sleeve holds the shaft concentrically with great holding power and doesn't affect the bearing clearance at all. With true 360-degree shaft locking, the bearing can rotate at high speeds quietly. The Z-lock sleeves are interchangeable with the traditional FYH adapter sleeve. ZK eliminates the need for torque wrenches and torque charts, saving time and money. ZK, taper locking reinvented.